So now the move that we're going to talk about is the circle glide, and this is how it looks like. You're basically gliding in a circle. So right now what we're going to break down and discuss is the circle glide, and is a variation of the side glide that we discussed in the previous lesson, and this is how it looks. So you're moving around in a circle, whereas in side glide you're moving from side to side. So, like, there is just one variation, a subtle variation, which changes the side glide into a circle glide. So we're gonna break down the very basics of the side glide a little bit. If you want to go into the side glide in detail, I would really recommend going to the previous lesson. So in the side glide, the first move is the shuffle and raise, and then it is the step cross, okay, and then it is the pivot with the back foot. So this is where the side glide converts into a circle glide. In the side glide, what we do is we pivot the back foot more towards a 90-degree angle. Then we push and raise. Okay. So we're moving in one direction, the side. In the circle glide, what we are doing after stepping across, instead of moving the back foot, instead of pivoting the back foot more in a 90-degree angle, we pivot it a little more. So that we start going in a circle more towards like a 120-degree angle. So we pivot it. Instead of pivoting it like this, we pivot it more. Push and raise. Pivot both feet. Step across. Pivot. Push and raise. Pivot both feet. Step across. Pivot. Push and raise. Step across. Pivot. Push and raise. Pivot both feet. Step across. So this was a little a quick rundown of the circle glide, and definitely if you want to get into more detail, check out the side glide and the shuffle videos, and then start doing this. This is a part of a series which is an entire breakdown of the animated urban dancing spectrum, which covers waving, isolations, popping, footwork, tutting, and a lot more. Snaking and everything, like speed changes and a lot of special moves. So I definitely recommend that course if you really want to learn the dance as a whole. Like, that is an interactive course with options of interactive forum with guaranteed doubt resolution.